The importance of business organizations. The learning objectives of this lesson. By the end of this topic, learners should be able to justify the importance of business organizations, discuss the significance of business organizations in society and the economy. All right. I shall start by introducing business organization. The definition: a business organization is an entity involved in the provision of goods and services to consumers with the aim of making profit or meeting social needs. These organizations can be privately owned, publicly owned, or non-profit. The importance of business organizations. Business organizations play a vital role in the development of society and the economy. Their importance can be grouped into economic, social, and personal benefits. Right. So I shall start by explaining economic importance of business organizations. Creation of employment, that is number one. Businesses creates jobs by employing people in various roles such as managers, clerks, technicians, or factory workers. Number two, economic importance, that is production of goods and services. Business organizations produce essential and luxury goods and services that satisfy human wants. They make these goods available in the market for consumers' purchase. Right? That is very, very important. Number three, which is the economic importance, is contribution to national income. The output of business contributes to the gross domestic product, which we call GDP. So profitable businesses pay taxes, which are used by governments to provide public services like education, health, and infrastructure. So mari dzese dzatotwana dzinobhadharwa vashandi vehurumende dzinobva mumataxes anobva mabusinesses ese anenge achibhadharwa nevanhu. Right? Development of infrastructure. Business growth encourages the development of roads, electricity, internet services, and other facilities that benefit society at large. For example, tikatarisa kuMakaha, development of infrastructure yakuitika maroads akugadzirwa kuMakaha nekuda kwedevelopment yebusiness irikuitika ikoko regold and other minerals. Then encouragement of innovation. Businesses invest in research and development to create new products and improve existing ones. This leads to technological advancements and improved efficiency. Moving on to the next concept, which is social importance. The social importance I am going to explain about improving standards of living. Business provide quality products and services that improve comfort and convenience in life. Corporate social responsibility. Many businesses support community projects such as building schools, hospitals, and sponsoring events. This helps improve the well-being of the community. Skill development and training, that is another social importance. Business often train their employees, which help them gain skills that can be used in other jobs to start their own businesses. So this is very, very important. Then now explaining the importance, personal importance. So vakakoshera pan munhu mumwe nemumwe. Right, social source of income. Individuals earn wages and salaries through employment or profits from owning businesses. Number two, opportunities for entrepreneurship. So business organizations inspire others to start their own enterprises, encourage innovation and self-employment. Munhu akaona umwe munhu achibudirira mune rimwe business, umwe ada kutoritanga kuti ndiniwo ndibudirire, ndo panozobva yatinoita kuti competition. Saka zvinobatsira kuti ticreate entrepreneurs akawanda. Career growth. Working in business organizations provides opportunities for promotional and personal development. Conclusion. Business organizations are the backbone of every economy. They not only contribute to national development by generating income and employment, but also improve the living standards of people and encourage innovation. Understanding their importance helps individuals appreciate the role of commerce in society. Key terms to remember. Term number 1, business organization. Business organization is an entity involved in production and distribution of goods and services. Term number 2, employment, which means work done in exchange of payment, GDP. Gross domestic product, that is the total value of goods and services produced in a country. Innovation, the creation of new ideas, products, or methods. Corporate social responsibility, which means business efforts to contribute positively to society. Can you invite your friends to join Mugombi Online School? You can join by visiting our website, mugombionlineschool.com. For any assistance, you can contact the help desk, SMS, or call these numbers. Thank you.